Getting started with Quizlet.
Quizlet is a popular online platform for creating and studying flashcards. To begin, sign up for a free account using your email or a linked Google account. Once logged in, you can browse public sets or create your own flashcards tailored to your subjects. Navigating Quizlet's homepage quickly gets you to your study materials and helps you track your learning progress.
Creating your own flashcard sets.
To make flashcards, click on Create and enter a title for your set. Add terms and their definitions. These could be vocabulary words, concepts, or facts. You can enhance your cards with images or audio for greater engagement. Remember to organize the cards logically, such as thematically or by chapter, to make studying more effective and easy to review.
Organizing and managing flashcards.
Keep your study materials organized by grouping related sets into folders. Quizlet allows you to edit or rearrange flashcards at any time, making it easy to keep your information up to date. Use folders to separate subjects, courses, or exam topics, ensuring you can quickly find what you need when it's time to review.
Using study modes and practice tools.
Quizlet offers several study modes, including Learn, Write, Spell, Test, and Classic flashcards. These modes help reinforce memory through repetition and practice. Experiment with different modes to find what best suits your learning style. For a challenge, try Match or Gravity games, which add a fun and competitive element to studying.
Tips for efficient Quizlet study sessions.
For the best results, study in short, frequent sessions instead of cramming. Use Quizlet's spaced repetition by revisiting sets regularly. Create custom sets for upcoming exams or tricky topics. Don't forget to share your flashcard sets with classmates to learn together and benefit from each other's insights. Consistent, active engagement is the key to mastering new material on Quizlet.